Hi, my name is Giselle and welcome to Music Foundation Level 2, Lesson 4. Today I will be breaking down and going through all the major scales. And I'm going to just start with my right hand. So what makes up in a C major scale, if you learned from my previous lesson, C and D makes up by a whole step, D and E makes up another whole step, E and F makes up a half step, F and G makes up another whole step, G and A another whole step, A, B another whole step, and B and C a half step. Now, to play a major scale, first on the keyboard, you want to use the first 3 fingers, starting with our thumbs as 1, second finger is our index finger, and our middle finger is our third finger. We're going to play C, D, and E. Our thumb is going to go under the third finger to F, second finger G, third finger A, fourth finger B, and C. That is the way to play an ascending C major scale. To descend, you're going to start with your pinky on a high C, descend to B, third finger on A, second finger on G, thumb on F. The third finger is going to cross over to E, second finger on D, and our thumb again back on middle C. I'm going to ascend and descend in C major scale. From our Circle of Fifths series, after the C comes G. And even if you notice in our key signature, we have one sharp, which is F sharp. We're going to use that same formula that makes up a major scale to play a G scale. So from G, our notes are G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. G and A is a whole step, A and B is a whole step, B and C is a half step, C and D is another whole step, whole, whole, and we end with half. So again, we're going to use the same first 3 fingers, G, A, B. Our thumb goes under to C, C, D, E, F sharp, and G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. To ascend in G major scale. And to descend, starting with our pinkies, G, F sharp, E, D, C. Our third finger is going to cross over to B. G major, ascending and descending. Here, the fifth of G is D. So that comes next in our circle of fifths. And if you notice in the key signature, there are 2 sharps. Even our sharps are moving in fifths. F sharp to C sharp. So what makes up a D major scale is D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. Again, our first 3 fingers, D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, D. To descend, we're going to start with our pinky, D, C sharp, B, A, G. Our third finger is going to cross, F sharp, E, D. Ascending and descending in D major scale. The fifth of D in our circle of fifths is A. And if you notice in our key signature, there are 3 sharps also moving in fifths. F sharp to C sharp to G sharp. So I'm going to start with A again with our first 3 fingers. A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp, A. Descending, A, G sharp, F sharp, E, D, C sharp, B, and A. The fifth of A is E. Again, our key signature increases. There are 4 sharps. We have from F sharp to C sharp, G sharp to D sharp. So we're going to start with E, F sharp, G sharp, our thumb on A, B, C sharp, D sharp, E. Descending, E, D sharp, C sharp, B, A, G sharp, F sharp, and E. The fifth of E, and this will be the last one that I will be discussing today, is B. And if you notice in our key signature, there are 5 sharps. So from F sharp to C sharp to G sharp to D sharp to D sharp to A sharp. So we're going to start with B, and what's cool about B is you're going to use mostly black keys. B, C sharp, D sharp, E, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp, B. Descending, B, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, D sharp, C sharp, and B. That will be all for today. Please subscribe and have a great day.